Margaret Morales' YUME Special Treatment version 1 starts with morganite crystals sprinkled in the pink flowers around her hair. YUME 50 by 66 rounds by Margaret Morales version 2 special treatment. We now have electric diamonds sprinkled in all of the yellow areas. The moons, the stars, as well as the lanterns around her. YUME 50 by 66 EM Special Treatment version 3. We now add lightning diamonds and place it on the mask that she's holding. So simply fill in as much as you can of the mask with the lightning diamonds that you're given. You don't have to fill the entire area with the lightning diamonds, but just give it enough so that you have this same effect.